And in today's 8 Alert News Channel 8's Meredith Sansulo shows us how to add an extra layer of protection. Mayor?
You know, Craigslist reports 80 million ads on its site each month, and Facebook groups for buying and selling are incredibly popular. So these safety rules apply to both. Never reveal any personal information, including a home address. That means never meet at home. If you're using a Facebook sales group, deal only with people you know or are acquaintances of those you know. And don't use your personal email. Meeting in a public place is important, but you need to add on an extra layer of protection. Police departments are open 24/7. Consider meeting in the parking lot. Tell someone you trust what you're doing and consider having someone accompany you. Keep your cell phone in hand during the entire transaction, and don't pay in cash. Use a cashier's check. If it's a high-price transaction, you'll want to do it at a bank. Some Tampa Bay law enforcement agencies have created safe spaces for people to conduct online transaction. That full list is on our website, WFLA.com. Guys.